Hi. We're from. I'm Leo.
And I'm Ivan.
We're from the Jackass Part 2, man. And tonight, witnessing the Part 2 of the Jackass. Kaway ka naman dyan, Domby. Where are you? Yeah. And the gunman, the new gunman, man. The new gunman featuring Jeff. Fuck. Again, this is a gun, yeah. And
Jeff will
today,
now target Don for only
he's back on his
3 to 4 feet.
Oh shit, this is hard and ready to aim?
Ready to aim.
And fire! Oh no! Yeah! May I see your back, man? May I see your back? Oh no! Oh no!
Oh shit, look at that!
Look at that!
Look at that!
Pimple! This is the new review center. This is Jackass Part 2.
Wait for the video on YouTube.
We're posting it on a Friendster, man.
Yeah,
Mwah!
especially on YouTube.
And we're saying goodbye now. I'm Leo again.
And I'm Ivan.
Jackass Part 2.
Yeah.
Bye.